See, so second lesson we have completed. Solve the exercise. Now this third one. Okay, it's very easy. 5 minutes lesson. 5 minutes to make you understand. It is so simple. So simple. What it is? See, pronouns. Correct use of the pronouns. What happens in pronouns? Cases. There are 3 cases: subjective, objective, and possessive cases. Okay, now what is subjective possessive? S plus V plus O. When we use a pronoun in the subject's place, that is a subjective case. What is objective? When we use the pronouns which can be used in the object place, they are objective case. For example, I, we, I'll write like separately. You, he, she, it, they. Okay, and okay, I, we, he, she, it, they. These are the subjective pronouns. What is the objective of them? So, I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it remains it only, and they remains them. Okay, so that is the objective case. Possessive case: me, mine. Okay, my is the possessive adjective, mine is the possessive pronoun, us, ours. Our is the possessive adjective. See, what is the difference? My is the possessive adjective, our is the possessive adjective. Possessive adjective pronoun. It's a pronoun, but it is possessive adjective. You, yours, not your. This don't consider. That is not given in your book also. Don't consider. These are not possessive pronouns. Okay, this is not the possessive case. They are possessive pronoun in the form of adjective, but they are not possessive case. We are talking about case. What is a case? The whole suitcase. What is a case? Case is if something is used directly in the place of subject, directly in the place of object, and possessive case is a pronoun. Directly it can be used in the place of noun. My cannot be used in the place of noun. For example, my pen. Right, but we don't say mine pen. This is wrong, because mine is itself is the option of pen. Understood? So it is a wholesale suitcase. That is why I said. So these are the pronouns, possessive pronouns, but they are used with the nouns. Okay, and like adjective. So, and these are possessive case of the pronouns. This your, keep it in mind. Many are making mistake while letter writing. They write this your, or otherwise they use apostrophe. Apostrophe बिल्कुल नहीं use करते possessive case के साथ. Him, his ना, yes, him, his, her, hers, it, its. देखो its, its without apostrophe. When it is without apostrophe, it is its. possessive केस है ये प्रोनाउन की, और apostrophe के साथ आता है तो क्या होता है? it is और it has, उसका शॉर्ट फॉर्म है, वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म है ना. इसको apostrophe, we don't use this possessive case of the pronoun with the apostrophe at all. Them, theirs. Them, theirs. So these are the possessive. And what is the first rule with this? That we don't use apostrophe with this. Wrong. No need to use apostrophe. They are already possessive case. Okay. Second rule is the following pronouns don't take apostrophe. This one all. Okay. And what is the first rule? These are the possessive pronoun and they come. They are not used with the nouns. For example, this side I am writing the example. My pen can be used, but mine is used like this. This pain is mine. We can't say this is mine pain. Okay, this is correct sentence. This is mine pain is wrong sentence. Okay, so these possessive cases are used in the place of noun. They are not used with the nouns. First rule. Second rule, apostrophe is not used with them. Third rule, complement. See what the complement of the verb be is always in the subjective case. Sentence construction like this: subject plus predicate. What happens in this type of sentence? There's a subject plus to be verb plus complement. This one condition I'm talking about. Okay, otherwise s plus to be verb plus predicate, predicate or adjective, this kind of things come, right? I am happy. I subject, am to be, predicate happy. But sometimes there is a complement. Complement means turning towards. Okay, so it was I who did it. Now what is subject? It was I who did it. One sentence. I'll say second sentence. It is we who told the truth. Now this is complement. Okay, complement means to join more, to add more. Now when it is a complement, when a complement is added to, remember what the rule says, when it is a complement added to the pronoun that comes in the object, place or predicate place. Now this pronoun is correct. We don't use me. क्या use होना चाहिए यहाँ पे? It's a object place. And what is the objective case of I? Me. What is the objective case of we? Us. पर हमने वो यहाँ पे यूज किया नहीं करेंगे, because this complement, to accept this complement, who is needed? I am needed or me is needed. For this complement, I is the doer, है ना? I did it, me did it, चलेगा? Us did it, चलेगा? नहीं, we did it. So that whole complement is the one part, and that is why this pronoun is the part of this complement, not the part of the sentence. So यहाँ पे कौन सी केस यूज होती है? सब्जेक्टिव केस इंस्टेड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. ऐसा वो रूल है. अब यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेडली अंडरस्टैंड दिस. यहाँ से वो सेपरेट हो जाता है. दिस टोटल इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. दिस टोटल इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. इन दैट ऑब्जेक्ट this pronoun is the subject part of that sentence. That is why it is in subjective case. बहुत understood है. There is no need of turning the pages in the rules. ये समझने जैसा है. क्लॉज सीखे हैं लास्ट ईयर. यू माइट हैव लर्न द क्लॉज कैसा होता है वो. व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस? ये इंडिपेंडेंट, ये डिपेंडेंट सेंटेंस है ना. मेन क्लॉज सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज के जैसा है. अब सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज में अगर कोई सब्जेक्ट है, कोई प्रोनाउन है, इन द सब्जेक्टिव प्लेस वो आ रहा है, तो वो कौन सी केस यूज होगी? सब्जेक्टिव केस. दैट इज द रूल. सिंपलेस्ट थिंग है. It is understood. There is no need of rule, but like a rule you take it. So write the rules first. Okay. Fourth rule: the object of a verb or a preposition should be in the objective case. Any object or object of the preposition. in the objective case. Okay, so please let him go now, let him go now. Okay, हाँ देखो, हाँ इसमें क्या होगा, बहुत सारे ढेर सारे जो सेंटेंस है वो कौन से आएंगे, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस आएंगे, कमांड्स, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस आएंगे. देखो, ही हैज़ गिवन ट्रबल टू देम एंड अस. ओके, सो ये आता है. अब पहला ही सेंटेंस ले लो, लेट हर एंड मी डू इट, नॉट शी एंड आई, लेट हर एंड मी डू इट. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस क्या है, प्लीज लेट हिम गो नाउ. Let her and me do it. अब ये फोर्थ रूल क्या दिया है बुक में, रूल रीड करो. द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ ए वर्ब और प्रेपोजिशन शुड बी इन द ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. सोचने की क्या बात है, ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस में आएगा, ऑब्जेक्टिव केस होगा, राइट. अब ये ऑब्जेक्ट प्लेस में ही है, क्यों, इसका सब्जेक्ट कौन होता है, कमांड. इट इज ए कमांड, इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस. द इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस ऑलवेज हैव द सब्जेक्ट यू. What is the subject in the imperative sentences? Always. Open the door, you please open the door. Close the books, you please close the books. Whom, कौन करने वाला है, doer कौन है, action you, जिसको हम कमांड दे रहे हैं वो है. Open the door, कौन जाएगा ओपन करने, जो सुन रहा है वो, जिसकी तरफ उंगली कर रहे हैं वो. So you is the subject, doer of the action. वो ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं है. So door क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट है. ओपन द डोर, डोर क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट है. सेम वे एनी अदर प्रोनाउन कम्स इन इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंस, दैट इज इन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑलवेज. ये रूल की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं है, ऑब्जेक्ट ही है वो. ये हिम क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट है. हर क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट है. तो ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ही यूज की है. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट सेंटेंस. ओके, ऐसा ही होना चाहिए. नाउ द थर्ड सेंटेंस ही, नन बट मी वॉज प्रेजेंट देयर. नो वन बट आई वॉज प्रेजेंट देयर. ओके, ऐसा अगर सेंटेंस कहा, ये रहने देता हूं, नन बट आई वॉज प्रेजेंट देयर. ओके, फॉरगेट इट. नाउ नन बट आई वॉज प्रेजेंट देयर, what it is, understand, this is one sentence, this is another sentence. This is one sentence. No one was present there, but only I was present there. If it is a full sentence, I will be correct. I will be correct. But this sentence, full sentence, hasn't been used. The none represent that. The whole sentence is the part. What is the sentence then? Actual sentence क्या है, मतलब none was present there but me. This is the sentence. None was present there but me. Only I was present. So ये I correct है फिर, wrong. In this sentence is this construction, I is wrong. So what to be used then? Me. Because ये किसका पार्ट है, ये इसका पार्ट है, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस का पार्ट है. And went there. So this is in the objective case. This is the objective of the preposition but. That is called objective of the preposition. So this is the object of the preposition but me, not but I, but me. So in this way, but me, है ना. None was present there. कोई नहीं, कोई प्रेजेंट ही नहीं था. none was present there. None was present there. Subject कौन सा है? You, listener. Okay, you are the subject. None was present there. Object कौन सा है? Given any object? None. There is no one. So there is no object. But me. और मैं present था ना. So I am the object. So I की objective case कौन सी है? Me. So we shall use me. So the actual sentence is this, but the sentence is written in this format. It is written in this form. None but me was present there. Then it is correct sentence. If you use me, I use करेंगे तो it will go wrong. Now see, there is no difference between you and me. This is always you understood it. It is correct. It is a objective. So objective case. I तो use होगा ही नहीं. Next sentence. He has given trouble to them. He has given trouble to them and us. And us. He has given trouble to them. अगर ये objective case है तो preposition के बाद भी जो आएगी that will be objective case only, right? उसका reason है preposition which is joining two pronouns, it will join the same pronouns, a type of category of pronoun है ना. So category change नहीं हो जाती, either possessive, I and mine. So we talk in this sense when it goes in subject and when it shows something different, okay, that time. Otherwise it is not, grammatically it is this, okay. So next rule, the rule reflexive pronouns. Now reflexive pronouns, that is that case. People are generally using pronouns also in such a wrong way that we need to learn the rule. Myself, ourself, yourself, yourselves, himself, herself, itself, themselves. These are the reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same person. So subject plus verb, object, when these are same person, then only we use it. For example, we helped ourselves. We helped ourselves. Okay. उन्होंने किसको हेल्प की? खुद को. ओके. सो she helped, she has hurt herself. So जब subject and object, when we are talking about subject and object, both are same. At this time this rule is followed. We use ourself, myself, himself, herself, themselves, yourself, yourselves. Okay. Now rule number 5, reflexive pronouns are never used as subject. Reflexive pronouns are never used as subject. और लोग हमेशा यूज करते हैं myself, अनिल पाटिल. क्या बन गया? सब्जेक्ट. दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड प्रोनाउंस में हमेशा लोग बोलते हुए मिस्टेक करते हैं. myself अनिल पाटिल, I am अनिल पाटिल. What is correct use? I am Anil Patil. It is not used in subjective case. I saw myself. I am myself Anil Patil. We can say like that also. But myself Anil Patil we cannot say. We cannot say like this. So myself I did it. Myself I played it. Himself he ate it. That is wrong use. That is wrong use. So reflexive pronouns cannot be used in the subject place. He spoke to himself. Next rule, reflexive pronouns are used after preposition. Preposition के बाद भी use कर सकते हैं. He spoke to himself. Okay. Look after yourself. So in this way it can be used. What you have to learn? How not to use. How not to use. So that is the wrong use. That is the wrong use. Now this is the lesson number 3. Very simple lesson. Read it again. if you have not understood what I said, see the video again. I have tried to explain it in best way. Still if there are chances that my slip of tongue or I have committed some mistake, let me know. I'll correct it. I'll bring it again to you and I'll make you to understand it, but learn the grammar once only. There is 2 plus 2 is 4, we learn once only. Same way grammar is. So it is never going to change. So learn it once only, not again and again. Every year learning grammar, how is it possible? So all the second and third lessons exercise complete. Okay, good day, finish.